Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm making some sweet potato and milk. It's done now, so I'm about to take it off the. Let me turn it off. So I take it off now. You see, and I dump it into the bowl. Okay. I know some of you guys probably like sweet potato and milk. Yes, sweet potato and milk. Some of us in Haiti, it tastes good to us. So right now, that's the other half of the sweet potato. You bake it. Some people like to boil it, but me, I just bake it less time, and then I boil it together I peel it off, and then I boil it together with the milk. And you better use some sugar, okay? Right here, this is the best sugar ever, okay? For now, that's the one I've been using, and good, very sweet. And I ate up a little ginger just to give it a little, smell, a little spice. I'm not sure how many island in the Caribbean that know of it, but I know in Haiti we make it sometimes. Okay, I know some of you guys probably like, oh, that's nasty. Well, you eat Chinese food, and some, that's nasty too. So don't judge somebody's, food because you never tasted before or you don't used to it. Okay, like I say, some of you guys probably say, oh, that's nasty. Well, don't say it's nasty. You just don't used to it. You never done it before, so it probably nasty to you. As you can see in my kitchen, I'm saying, we cook down here. We cook. We don't go to McDonald's and Burger King. We make some rice in this mug. You know what I'm saying? So, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who's not Haitian or who don't know about it, you have to try it. Go to your grocery store and get you, one sweet potato. You bake it until it cook. And after it's done, you boil it together. You peel it off and you boil it together with some milk. Just a little milk. I can't tell you how much. Just put enough just for you. And if you have a friend or whatever. So this morning, that's what I'm about to, that's what I'm about to have. So I wish you guys a good day. And may God bless you. And please don't say my food is nasty. Because if I found you, no, never mind. I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm just gonna eat my food and pray for you. Okay? Pour tout haïtien k'ap gade la yo. Now it's Creole time. Pour tout haïtien k'ap gade la yo. On wan? Ça e pen a pa. On wan ça c'est patate à lait. On wan m'konne nous konn ça ka fait là. On wan patate à lait. On wan patate là bien posée là. M'pral manger un bon patate à lait. On wan? Et puis qui ça me fait? Kounya là, m'prend ti patate à lait là, m'pral mettre sous table là, pour manger piti ya. M'pral manger piti ya là, bien manger. M'pral retirer toute bagay devant patate à lait moi parce que moi m'pas négocier patate à lait moi. Ouais, regardez chaud. Voilà chaud là, m'pral craser monsieur là on matin. So pour tout le monde qui peut manger yo, c'est ba que gado, m'pral faire bon patate à lait là. So, on prend m'fait vidéo, on prend faire vidéo pour et puis m'aller m'poser. OK, God bless you. Bon, meni, mes patates à lait là, regardez la fumée sur le dernier là. Regardez poser là, poser. Bon, m'va faire mon patate à lait ou même si vous pas manger avec gado, on prend et bien m'voltiger, m'jeter, m'fait vidéo pour.